here. So today I've got this box which is brand new for me. It's Lacura Loves, and it is the Lacura beauty box, which if you don't know is from Aldi, the supermarket. So I had known this was coming, and I saw it in store on Sunday, and it's £11.99, and I've had a wee sneak peek, but I'll just show you. I'll just open it and let you see. I love the little box that it comes in, and I don't know how many they're planning to do of these little beauty boxes, if they'll all be the same or if they'll be different. It'd be quite exciting to see if other people are unboxing them, to see what they get in their boxes, if they're all the same. And if they do one next month, then I will show you that as well. So it opens up and it says, be beautiful. There you go. Obviously I had issues opening the packaging, and eventually gave up and got a pair of scissors. So you get this little leaflet which tells you a little bit about the products inside, but I won't show you that because it might spoil it a little bit for you. But there's a kind of good variety in here. And a wee peek, and I love the fact so it's got the tissue paper and it's got the wormies inside as well. So just like any other little beauty box, but instead I picked this up off the shelves in Aldi. So the first thing that we have here is the Lacura Healthy Glow Glycolic Toner. So it's an exfoliating toner with 5% glycolic acid, aloe vera and ginseng, and it's 75 mils, and it is cruelty free, and I think it is vegan as well. So yep, you can recycle all of this, and I've been using the glycolic toner. It's not the Healthy Glow one, it's the other one, and I'm really getting on. No, I'm not. I think I'm using the salicylic acid toner. I've not tried the glycolic toner, so yep, I'm really looking forward to trying this one, because the salicylic one's really good if you're kind of having outbreaks in your skin as well. So I'm really looking forward to trying that one. There's another skincare product in here. It's a soothing concentrate facial serum with cannabis sativa seed oil, and there's 30 mils in here, but it is a big 30 mils. I thought there would have been, you know, like more than 30 mils, but it's full to the brim. What does it say? A soothing concentrate is a herbal blend of cannabis sativa seed oil and oregano oil to soothe and hydrate stressed out skin. So massage 2 or 3 drops into cleansed skin. Just avoid the eyes, and if you know, if you do get it in your eyes, then just kind of give them a wash out with water. So there we go. I love the packaging on that. So I will put some on. And it's got the little kind of dropper. You just drop that on. I do use serum twice a day, and it was one product that I was always running out of. Oh, this has a kind of, yeah, it definitely, it's not, it's a kind of like a really light oil, which I should have expected actually, but it's really nice. There's a slight kind of herbally smell to it, but no, that's not unpleasant. Yeah, that's nice, and it's kind of going in, absorbing into the skin really well. Some oils sit on your skin, and I wouldn't use them, but this is a facial serum. I would use them at night, I wouldn't use them during the day. This is a facial serum, so it does it has actually left my hands really nice and glossy looking. So I will kind of give that a bash and use that, see how I get on. And there is their dupe for, I think it might be Too Faced, and it's Too Legit. There we go. Although it reminds me, the packaging reminds me of something else, the Maybelline one. So yep, there's 14 grams here. I'll open it because I will use this one and give it a try. And oh yeah, the wand's got that weird bit on the end. I've never seen that kind of bit. It's like a chimney sweep at the end. There you go. I'm looking forward to trying that. And there's more. And there's more. Is that Johnny Carson that used to say that? And there is here the Lacura H2O Overnight Mask, 250 mils. That's a Laneige dupe, and I've actually tried it. It was really nice. So it's an overnight mask, hydrates and conditions the skin with its lightweight, fast absorbing gel texture, formulated with aloe I can't say it, Barbadinus leaf juice, Rosa centifolia flower extract, and sodium hyaluronate. Helps improve the appearance of tired looking skin while you sleep. So you apply this to clean skin and leave it overnight. So yep, that is a lovely product to get in there. And last but not least, there's a kind of perfume. Now it's called Dark Blossom. I love the packaging on it. I'm assuming it's a perfume actually. Let me see what it says. So it says the soothing concentrate, which was this one. 2 to 3 drops massaged onto cleansed skin. Yep, H2O. It says once or twice weekly. Too legit. Wiggle the applicator from side to side, working from root to tip to build volume and length. Turn the applicator upward, stroking upright, stroking upward to help. Oh, that bit at the end, you must do that to separate and enhance the curled effect. Repeat as desired. The glycolic toner, there we go. It says apply with a cotton pad to neck, face and décolletage after cleansing. Use as required, recommended. No more than once daily. So you would only use that once a day, interestingly. And the Dark Blossom Eau de Parfum. So it's definitely a perfume. But the bottle, isn't that bottle really different? I don't think I've ever seen a perfume bottle quite like it. So we'll give it a spray. Oh, I thought it was gonna like pop off here, but it's a wee twisty one. There we go. I'll give it a wee spray, see what I smell like. Wait a minute, I'm wondering if this is a dupe for Black Opium. I'll be back. Right, I'm going to spray this, see if it's a dupe. Oh, I love the smell of that stuff. It could be a dupe. It's not got the same kind of, it's missing a little bit of the sweetness, but still nice. I actually would put this in my in my bag if I was going out, because I wouldn't take this big muckle bottle around with me. I got this for Christmas, 90 mils in that, and that's an eau de parfum as well. It's nice, but it definitely smells similar, so that's nice. I'd definitely pop that in my handbag if I was going out. So for $11.99, what do you get? You get the Healthy Glow Glycolic Toner, which I'm sure is probably a dupe for one of the Pixie toners. The H2O Overnight Mask, which is the Laneige dupe. The packaging's identical. The Too Legit Mascara, which I'm going to try. The Dark Blossom, which is absolutely gorgeous. And last but not least, you get the Soothing Concentrate Facial Serum. So there's quite a lot in there. It's a nice wee box. I like the fact that it's got skincare, because I love skincare. It's also got, you know, the mascara and the perfume. So all in all, I think it's a really good little box for £11.99. Let me know, have you got this box? Will you be buying this box? What do you think of this box? And do we kind of hope it's going to be a regular box from Aldi? I hope so. I didn't actually sneak this in the weekly shopping trolley, but if it comes out again, I'm definitely going to do that. I'll just pop it in. Anyway, thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of the box. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.